many tomatoes have grown and grew, and we already picked some tomatoes already, like a lot. 48 tomatoes. No wait, yeah, we already picked 42 tomatoes. I think 40 something tomatoes already. So yeah, I think this whole all the red tomatoes are gonna be 10. So we're gonna go pick it. Okay, so it's already recording, but anyways. So there's a lot of tomatoes. There's a tiny weeny one! Okay, it doesn't look tiny, but yeah. And one tiny one, and then there's some in the back there. Can you see them? Yeah, we're probably gonna take them. And yeah, now my mom is going to take it.
No, pick color. Red color.
Okay, I'm gonna take the tiny one. So I'm gonna take out the tiny one. Very adorable. I'm gonna take a picture of this after this. I'm gonna take a video picture of this. But anyway. Let me guess. And guys, school is also about to start, and coming home will feel good. Okay guys, you might not see, but there's also another one here. I think I'm gonna go and take the camera, and I'm gonna hold it like this. See this one? And the other side, I'm just gonna twist it a little bit. Here. I'm gonna twist this one if I can. Twisting. Oh, two tomatoes. Okay, I got 2 tomatoes. Let's fit inside. Okay. And I just put it inside. Ow. That was 4. They're really bumpy. There's someone here, guys. It's basically. Let's just. Oh my god, there's another one right here. I don't want you guys to see it like this one. I have it. That's the 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th one. I think we will let each other take this one. This one right there. What's this one? You know what? I'm not gonna pick it. I'm gonna pick this one. Alright. Oh. This one is really cool. Oh my god, it's blurry. Oh yes. Anyways, I'm going to 6th. Okay, now my mom is going to record me again. I'm really scared because it's really windy and I'm really scared of the noises, but it's actually right there, so much of it. How many do we get? Okay, I think we got like 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, yes, we got 8. There's a black thing on me. Take it off. Now I got 9. One more, guys. Yeah. You know what? We're gonna karate chop the spider if I have to, but I don't know. Okay, so I got 10 and I want to climb through this. Can I climb through this? So guys, look at this fresh tomatoes in from my garden. Now I'm gonna go back in the I'm actually really scared, so please pray for me to go back, because I'm really scared. I don't want to go away. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, wait. Subscribe, hit the bell, like and share, and comment down below. Comment down below if you guys like my favorite video or my favorite video, and if you guys want me to do more of these types of videos, because I love vegetables and I love vegetable picking. I like picking stuff, but I don't have to.